Hi, it's Sarah from You Floral, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a hydration chamber to keep your boutonnieres looking great. So the supplies that I need is a Tupperware container, paper towel, spray bottle, and of course my boutonniere. So how I'm going to make my hydration chamber is I take a piece of paper towel and I'm going to double it up here, and I'm going to take my spray bottle and just spray it so that it's nice and damp, but I don't want it soaking wet. It's more just damp. And then I'm going to put this in the bottom of my Tupperware container, and then I'm going to put my boutonniere on top here. Then I'm going to get a second piece of paper towel, again spraying it so it's a little bit damp, and then place this over top of my boutonniere just loosely. Then I put the lid on nice and tight and then store it in the fridge. So this little misting keeps the flowers moist and hydrated. So then this way you can make your boutonnieres a day or 2 days before your wedding and then keep them in the fridge to keep them fresh and looking great. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have questions.